Hey, good morning everybody. Today we're going to be putting on a trolling motor quick release onto the pontoon boat for my trolling motor. I do have a water snake foot control 55-pound trolling motor, so we'll be putting that on today so I can switch it back and forth between this little boat and the pontoon. This I got off of Walmart, and actually these look the same as many of the other ones online. It comes with the base, the screws, packaging. But because this said kayak on it, it was like $35, where the other ones are $69, $100. Now some of the more expensive are aluminum. This is like a nylon composite. So we'll see how it works. This just slides out. This part connects to the trolling motor. This mounts to the deck of the boat. And then when you just pull it off, this stays mounted to the boat, and you just put it on and put the pin back through, and it stays theoretically. Okay, so I've got all my parts laid out here to start putting this on. It did come with these black washers. There's no instructions for where to put these. I looked online, several videos online. I can't find it. It ain't getting them. Simple as that. So this gives a washer, the short screws. Goes right through. Get a washer and nut on the back side. I'm only going to do 2 on here for right now because I'm probably going to have to take this back off because I want to take it over now and put it on the boat. Make sure I putting it in the right place. Ready to go in. I've got this placed the right direction so that the bracket will come right off, and I've got it set directly in the middle of the boat. But when I do that, you can't get the lock pin out, so we're going to have to come all the way over so we have enough room to get the lock pin out, so it will be off center. But that's just the way it's going to have to be. This is probably the same for any trolling motor that uses this kind of pin. So we'll drill our holes out here and be ready to mount this bracket, and then we'll put this back on the trolling motor. Start drilling. I did check underneath to make sure I wouldn't hit anything, nothing's in the way. So we'll get these drilled out. So now we'll get in here and zip these tight. That should do that. So now I'm just putting the case back on the trolling motor. Put the screws right back on. Line it up. There we go. Okay, so now we're going to put the new plugs on. So we have the old one on here still. Clip it off. There we will. Strip a little wire. These heavy wires like this are kind of hard to deal with sometimes. Put that on there. The unit installed, it just plugs in. It's got about 20 foot of cord that can go all the way to the back of the boat. Should have to deploy the trolling motor to get it to work, and we're working. This is a very nice trolling motor for cheap. I think it was about $350. You can use this with your hands. You can do the speed, you can do everything by hand. It's very easy to move, it's very easy to control, and it works good. It pulls that little boat about 3 miles an hour. I don't know what it'll do on here. We'll find out tomorrow. The last thing that I forgot to show you is that with it in place here, the door will shut and will latch. Now it is right on there, and it will shut and take care of itself. And it's latched up and it's ready to go. As long as it doesn't fall out. Thank you, everybody.